What is the best YouTube thumbnail creator or editor? Guys, my name is Scott Anderson. I've got another YouTube video here for you today. I just came across this awesome tool that is going to help me make awesome thumbnails, and I believe that this also can help you with yours. So I'm going to explain what it is, how to use it, and why I think it is the best. All right, you guys, here is my YouTube channel, and right now we're looking at the thumbnails, okay? So I think that they're okay, but the reason why we're chatting about thumbnails is because it's very important that you have thumbnails that catch attention. The reason being is that that's a really big reason why people click on the actual video, and clicks turn into views, and watch time helps you grow within your YouTube channel. And so as you see here, I feel like I've got some decent thumbnails going on. Now, I only have one video with this little outline right here. That is something that I did in Photoshop. And I currently don't have Photoshop on my own laptop. I have it on, my wife has it. And so I've struggled and have made these thumbnails in Canva. And Canva is fantastic, and it's for free. So I have made these thumbnails right here in Canva. So if you want to do thumbnails without the little outline, and this is just a great way to get started, is using Canva, okay? It is free. You can add this background, add text, do these boxes. Okay, quick little tip. If you go to remove.bg, which is remove background, you can literally get rid of a background and have it be transparent. So that's what I have done on all of these. And it makes it really easy, really fast. You don't need a special tool. You just go there, add your image, and download, and have the background removed. So that is what I've done. Now, I just found out about PicMonkey, okay? Now, this is the tool that I think is really going to help me make awesome thumbnails. So I literally am just doing the 7-day trial right now and just got started and added one of my images here, add this glow, which is so cool that I can do it right here on this desktop version or online version in PicMonkey. And then I was able to add shadows to my text. You can't add shadows in Canva right now like with the effects. I mean, you could literally copy and paste the same words and like add it over, but that's just tedious. So this is so cool. You can add the glow. You can add there's just a lot more effects, and literally it kind of just comes down to the effects of adding the shadow. So this is just the shadow effect right here. You do 0 angle, 0 distance, 0 scale, 100% intensity. You can add fade or no fade, and then the blur. It's right here. That's the money maker to add the glow. And I've been watching some videos on YouTube and explaining how to get the best thumbnails, and adding the glow can really help when your thumbnail is small and you want someone to click on it when it's small, because a lot of times it is small. And when you have that little glow, it just helps. So guys, this is my new breakthrough that I'm so excited for PicMonkey. I think that this will really help me with my YouTube thumbnail game. I believe that I can make better thumbnails. This is not free, but you can get a free 7-day trial. Try it out for yourself. I'll add a link below so you can try it out. It is $7 every month to use this program, and you can save 25% if you get billed yearly or annually. So guys, that is the end of this video. I hope that it was helpful. Please comment below and let me know what thumbnail creator you guys are using and why. Okay, I'd like to know, because maybe there's something better out there that is free that can do this glow. If there's something out there right now that does this glow for free, I would be very interested in knowing. So let me know. Guys, thank you for watching. Have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video.